Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
A person who follows next in order. Successor. An event in which one thing is substituted for another. The replacement of lost blood by a transfusion of donor blood. Permutation, substitution, switch, transposition. Filling again by supplying what has been used up. Refilling, renewal, replenishment. The act of furnishing an equivalent person or thing in the place of another. Replacing. Someone who takes the place of another person. Alternate, surrogate. A person or thing that takes or can take the place of another. Substitute.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.